Hello everybody and welcome back. It has been almost a full year since I've done an Ipsy. March of 2020. I apologize for that, but you know, quarantine and everything and the whole pandemic has taken a toll as far as having the motivation to do anything. I work back there now. That is my work from home. I've loved every moment of it, but it also makes me just roll right out of bed and not want to put on makeup or even get dressed and give a shit. I don't know. Whatever. I'm back, guys. I thought, okay, 2021, start the new year with some Ipsy. I already failed. I don't know what happened to my January. I have a whole pile back there. I must have just opened it and forgot about it. But I got February, and March should be coming soon, so let's see what I got. Alright, well, I am pretty late to the party, I'm sure, because it's already the end of the month. So here is the bag. This is adorable. I haven't even really looked at it. Sealed with a kiss, and it's got a kiss. This is actually really cute. I'm kind of digging this. I'm loving it. Super cute for Valentine's Day. So I ended up getting some masks, which, you know, is usually not my favorite, and I used to give them to my friend Pasha. But being at home, not doing anything, not going outside, I'm taking my vitamins. My skin has been so dry, so I'm gonna be using these this time for sure. So we've got coconut and we've got watermelon, kombucha, and chia. Okay, great. Can't wait. So I was able to pick my item this month, and I went with a brush. I always do brushes because I love them. And this is by Shania. Shania B, Miami. It's a very beautiful brush. There's the name. Could be butchering it, of course, as always. And I always like the points because it's just way easier to put them right in my case. So excited about that one. Next item I have here is loose setting powder, and it's by YC Collections. I love loose powders, just because they're great for under eye settings. And of course it's sealed. Under eye settings, and also when you use liquid lipstick, if you put some of like the setting powder on it, it becomes matte. 100% matte lipstick. It's wonderful. I mean, it doesn't come off. I'd use it all the time. Next one is called Arcieli, I believe. Ojos Perfectos liquid eyeliner. So this is in Night Noches. So very dark, actually. That's great. Ooh, I like that. Super thin and super thick. We'll let that dry and see if it smudges. But always great for a liquid liner. Last but not least, we have Benefit's Gimme a Brow. Gimme a Brow. It's a tiny little sample here. I don't know what that is. This little comb. Are you supposed to like do that to it or something? I'm really skeptical with like liquid stuff like this and pomade, because once I did that and half of my friggin' eyebrow mulched off, it started like getting itchy, and like I must have had an allergic reaction to it. So I stick with shadow on the brows. Had no problem with that. But I believe that's it. So I got a little eyebrow thingy, eyeliner, powder, a brush, and some and some masks. So yeah, that's it. I actually really am digging this cute bag. I love it a lot. So that is it for March of 2021. February of 2021, and I hope to continue. So if I don't, then get on me, people. Please. Alright guys, that's it. I love you, and I will see you next month. Bye. Update. It's smear proof. Look at that. I'm like, that's gonna be a bitch to get off 100%, but also fucking cool. So there you go, guys. Wonderful product.